In this video, we run through some options for charting temperature in the Read Your Body app. Waking or basal body temperature helps to confirm ovulation, which is the release of an egg from the ovaries and a vital sign of health. It's a key event in your cycles that can be tracked to help avoid pregnancy and forecast your next period. Temperature is an easy biomarker to track. Simply take a daily reading using a basal body thermometer under your tongue immediately when you wake up, or by wearing a Tempdrop armband while you sleep. Temperature sits at a lower level before ovulation and rises to a higher level after ovulation. A sustained rise, typically confirmed by 3 high temperatures after 6 lower temperatures, indicates that ovulation has happened. So what are the options for charting temperature in the Read Your Body app? It's possible to track 1 or 2 sets of temperatures, for example oral waking temperatures alongside overnight Tempdrop readings. Enable what you need in your settings. If you choose 2 sets of temperatures, you can toggle between viewing one or the other, or both together on your chart. Each day you can input readings from your chosen basal body thermometer in your data screen. You can also connect with the Tempdrop app to pull data from their wearable sensor. When you tap to get your Tempdrop temps, values on previous days will be auto-updated if needed. If a temperature is disturbed due to a known factor like a fever or alcohol the night before, you can mark it as disturbed. When you observe and confirm a sustained temperature rise, you can mark these interpretations in the app. To manage all of your temperature settings, tap the gear icon in the temperature card on your data screen. You can choose whether you prefer Celsius or Fahrenheit as your units, and whether you want your temperature readings to be rounded or truncated for display on your chart. If you want to record what time you wake up and take your temperature, you can enable this too. Other options include the ability to mark 1 or 2 cover lines and annotations like circles or triangles if required by your chosen charting method. All of these display on your charts and help to confirm your temperature rise. And that's it! So many ways to chart your temperature with Read Your Body, all designed to help you confirm ovulation with clarity and confidence. Happy charting!